Okay, hello. Hi guys. Happy Friday. Uh nice to see you all again. Welcome back to our November week 3. Okay, a very interesting week because I guess many are not coming. Hi Shane. Wow, Mildred, your internet is really quick, Once I press allow, then once a snap you are in. Damn. How fast is your internet? Right. So guys, today we are revising on our chapter, what was it again? Oops, sorry. Your chapter 2 again. 5G. Wow. The flags, Mildred. Wow. Yes, Kawhi, hello. Hi, April. We won't learn light. Nah, I guess not. I guess not because we will revise for the important chapters one first. When are we going to chapter 8? Most probably next month, I think, because we follow everyone's schedule so we have a, let me check this. Okay, we have our own syllabus. Let me check. We will go into that uh in December. Yeah, in December. In December. Yeah. So right. Wow, I'm a bit behind. Okay, so you know what? Chapter 8, right? I will rush a bit faster for y'all if y'all can absorb lah. Okay, hello again. So I guess most of you learn light in in school, right? Have you? Have you? I mean it. Yeah lah, it's a very difficult chapter. Okay, the part that wastes the most time is gonna be your color, right? The RGB thing, red, green, blue, your cyan, magenta, yellow, and the absorption and subtraction of light. Uh, okay, LGBTQ. Yeah, okay, that's gonna waste, take you a lot of time. But other than that, I think it's fine. Reflection and refraction, and and then you have dispersion and scattering. Okay, that's actually quite straightforward. Right. Anyway, guys, let's go to our question 13. Okay, question 13. So this is your respiration again. Okay, respiration again. So, all right, I think I just told you the answer already. So this process is called respiration. Okay, respiration. So your respiration, this is your mitochondria, by the way. Okay, every one of your cell has this. This one will give you energy to do what you need because they will take in glucose and oxygen. They will change this into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. This is how you get your energy, right? Every one of your cell needs energy. Okay, so this is your respiration. Hi, Meru. Good evening. Looks like the stomach. It looks like a freaking
Hi.
cockroach, though. Hi. So this looks like a
I
cockroach now.
once had a cockroach crawl onto my forehead while I was playing Minecraft at 3 a.m.
You specifically remember what game you were playing. That's really nice. I'll be scared.
That's not nice. That means it has been embedded into my head.
Well, I figure, I figure. I mean, you have this thing crawling on your forehead. I would be forever scarred too. Yikes. Average 3 a.m. moment. Really? Really? No, I've never encountered. How is that a average moment? You're not scared of cockroaches. Okay, weird flag Shane, but okay. Good for you. So this is respiration, This is respiration. Okay, so what's the reverse call, guys? What's the reverse call? How do you take carbon dioxide, water, and energy to combine and get glucose and oxygen? What is the reverse call? Of a bed walls game. Okay. Okay, so what is the reverse call, guys? What's the reverse call? Hint is done by plants. That would be. What's the reverse of photo? Shit, I just said my answer. Okay. What's the reverse of respiration? Right, that's your photosynthesis. Okay, the reverse, the reverse, so when you, after you do respiration, whatever shit that you don't want, you give it to plants. So plants will do photosynthesis, and they don't want these, they will give you back for respiration. So it's sort of like a, mutual thing. You give me what you don't want, I give you what I don't want, and we both need, the reverse. Okay, so checking your textbook. Okay. You have your textbook. Just check your notes. We TDC have the compact note, check the one. No need to check textbook. So list down 3 usage of energy. Okay, what do you use energy for? What do you use energy for? Yes, Tarini, hello. What do you use energy for? Guys, for this kind of question, right? Please don't give me childish answers like walking, talking, thinking. Uh, this is, are you 5? Okay, please give me, scientific processes. I want something like movement. Okay, pergerakan. Hello. Tarini, are your parents voting tomorrow? Are your parents voting tomorrow? I hope they do. Penggunaan otak, no, not accepted. Right, so what else do you need energy for? You need it for digestion. When you digest food, pencernaan. When you digest food, that's how you use energy, right? What else? You can say excretion. When you excrete, perkumuhan, when you clean your blood from dirt, that uses energy too. They need to go Penang. So are they going to Penang? Okay, oh, school, nice, nice, nice. I mean, if you're from Penang, oh, okay, okay. If you're from Penang and you're from Selangor, most likely Harapan is taking everything, so wouldn't be concerned. It's just that the rural places, okay, I'm a bit concerned. Guys, I mean, it's gonna be far away, but next term, you could very likely vote already. Okay, I mean, it's a borderline thing lah, because you're 13 this year. So the next election is gonna be 4 or 5 years later. So if it's 5, then maybe you get to vote. Okay, choosing the best of the worst. Yeah, you could say that. It's a very complicated thing. Okay, it's a very complicated. Is it the best of the worst? Are they? That's a very harsh statement to say it's the worst. Okay. Anyway, we definitely need a change lah. Malaysia is in such a shit storm right now. Okay. Anyway, so see how is glucose, which is needed by mitochondria, produced in green plants. Name and explain the process. So this process is called photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. Yeah, I agree too. I mean, you look at the US, it's the same lah. Biden is like basically a fossil. Okay, he has the interest of the young people not at all at heart. So why is he the president? So yeah, I don't really understand. I don't really understand. It seems like politics are, you know, mostly dominated by old people. Okay, partly okay. I can see the reason why lah. Partly is because young people we just couldn't care. Okay, we just couldn't care. It's the apathy. Okay, guys. Let me correct something lah. Okay, you might not care about politics, but politics will never not care about you. Your living condition, whatever that you're doing right now, it's gonna be politics. Okay, uh, you will care about politics when you got the shorter end of the stick. Okay, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, I started care about politics when I was around 14 or 15-ish. Okay, just read the news. I wasn't really that fond of politics until 18. Okay, until 18. I think have I told you guys the process of me applying JPA scholarship? You know what is JPA scholarship? It's the most prestigious scholarship in Malaysia. Okay, JPA scholarship. It's like the mother of all scholarship, right? So according to that time, according to MCA, okay, he just said that if you have straight A and if you come from a poor family, you will yes, you heard that right. You will be sponsored by JPA, and JPA they will send you overseas. Okay, so there was I very naively I believe in it, so I did really well in SPM. Okay, I got 11 A's. I got 11 A's. Okay, other people they take 10, I take 11. I went one step ahead. And guess what? I got nothing. I got nothing. I applied for medicine. I didn't get it. I applied for dentistry. I didn't get it. I applied for engineering. I got none of it. Okay. So, on the other hand, my friends who are that race, okay, insert your race here. Okay, one of my friend lah, she is, what race? I don't need to mention here lah. She has 8. She got into dentistry. So how is that fair? How is that fair? All right. Did you apply? No, 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 no. I got straight A1. I got straight A1. Okay, she has 8. She has 8. I got none. Okay, I got nothing. And you know what's the worst? I come from a single parent family. My mom earns like 800 to 900 per month. Her parents basically drove Mercedes. So at that very moment, I realized this country is not based on meritocracy, it's based on race. So you see, when you don't care about politics, this is what will happen. If you refuse to change the country, you are part of the problem. You get what I mean? You get what I mean? I mean, I was already the victim of this system. Do you want your junior? Do you want your children next time to be part of this thing? Okay. The way I see it, there's only 2 choices. It's either one, they will freaking migrate, they will go to Singapore. Singapore will gladly accept talent. Or they will just stay here and work at shit class job. They will work as a Grab driver with their straight A cert, putting not to good use. This is what will happen. All right. So you don't care about politics, but politics will never leave your side. Okay. Next time when you go out to work, okay, you spend like 60, 70, 80K to get a degree, and your starting salary is 2,000. Okay. Houses will cost at least 900,000 to buy. When are you going to afford a house? Unless you sell your kidney lah. Okay. You are forced to buy a car because public transport is like shit. Okay. And before you get a job, you're already in debt by buying a car. So how is the country benefiting us? No, they're just benefiting their pockets. They just want you to buy a car. Okay, they purposefully make the public transport shit so they buy a car so that they can earn more from you, which you're already poor as fuck. Right? Right? So we need to bring change. Okay, as we can't make this shit happen again. Okay. So I mean, this is my 3rd time voting. This is my 3rd time. I know my vote says nothing, has a very small say in this very big. It is just a cog in this system of wheels. But that's how everything starts, right? That's how everything starts. All this racial thing has already happened to me. I don't want it to happen to my next generation. Okay, I don't want talented people, they leave Malaysia just because we practice, unfair advantage shit like this. Okay, I was the receiving end. I hope none of you become the receiving end next time. Okay, this shit hits home, yo. I mean, you might not care about this until it happens to you. All right, when your hard work is swept aside, they will prefer a certain race no matter what's their merit. That sucks. That sucks. I can tell you, when you're the receiver, I mean, I'm saying it right now. You to feel it yourself, you really feel it. It's like, so all my hard work is for nothing. Okay, all my studying and everything is for nothing. So yeah, exactly. So this privilege thing, yeah, needs to stop. All right. I mean, as a teacher, that's my best thing to to educate you. Here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. Next time when you heard someone say, my vote doesn't mean anything. Okay, my vote doesn't mean anything. Okay, tell them this. Okay, ask them this. Do you buy a lottery? Okay, do you buy a lottery? Do you buy Toto? Okay, okay, because people they buy Toto. Why? Although the chance is very small, okay, they still think that their small chance of winning might change their life. Okay, so if you were to, you could, risk this thing, why not vote? You see, this is a very funny thing that this is a very funny logic, right? And these people who say that I don't want to vote because it doesn't make any difference, next time, next time, you don't tell them, don't let me hear you complaining about the public transport, complaining about when you got the shorter end of the stick, you got treated unfairly by our system. You have no rights to complain. Okay, when our river is polluted and the ministers are not doing anything, okay, your children are, getting all kinds of fucked up shit from the government, you have no rights to complain because you did not play a part. Okay, so I hope you have this thing in mind, okay, have this thing in mind because I was the receiving end of this. I hope you are not next time. Okay, I mean, yeah, Malaysia is a very shitty place. I'm still here because I love my country. All right. But nah, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. I mean, this is like a scare tactic used by Barisan Nasional last time. Say, oh, if the Chinese win, it's gonna be a riot. If the Malay wins, it's gonna be a riot. It's not happening. Come on, it's not happening. Okay, these are just scare tactics. Okay, no, we are too civilized to do these kind of things. Okay, so anyway, I hope my speech here provoke some of your thoughts. Okay, sekian terima kasih, guys. Okay, let's move on. Right. Okay, so photosynthesis. Also, what's happening here? So photosynthesis basically they use carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Okay, that's one mark to create glucose and oxygen. Okay, so you write the rest of this your own lah. Basically, you just describe this whole thing. You get 2 marks here. All right. Yes, Wing, hello. What's wrong with your net? Are you okay? All right, guys. We move on lah. You know what? I'm not gonna do this photosynthesis thing already. What is word equation? I guess you already know lah. That means you have glucose plus oxygen equals to carbon dioxide, water, and energy. So whenever you see this word equation, please make sure you write this. Driver problem. Oh, your PC got driver problem. You didn't update, is it? Okay, next, guys. Let's move on. Let's go to question. Let's go to chapter 6. Okay, let's go to chapter 6. Okay, Miru, why? Why is there seal there? Thank you for your seal. Okay, so number 1, atoms are the basic unit of all matter. All right. Okay, they're like the smallest Lego, the smallest. So atom cause matter to exist in 3 states, which are gases, liquid, and solid. Guys, this chapter is really easy. You know what a funny man? Hiya, I lazy. I lazy to think lah. Okay. Do I have any funny background so far? Okay, is this okay? Is this okay? Okay. Okay. Happy now? Happy now? Okay. Next. B. So what is this? So you have your proton, okay, which is the positive one, and then you have your neutron, which is the no charge one, and then you have your electron, which is the circly thing. Lemao. You mean lemao? Okay. So next, examples of compound. Do you still remember what is a compound? Okay, compound is your, 2 atoms, then they get married one. So this is a compound. If there's no marrying, then that is called your mixture. Okay, campuran. This is your compound, sebatian. So which is your compound? Your salt definitely is, because salt is sodium chloride. What? What the hell? Okay, so next is gonna be your guli. Why guli? Because guli is made from glass. Glass is made from sand. Okay, sand is made from silicon dioxide. Okay, that means one silicon they cover it with 2 oxygen. So that's your sand. Okay, coffee is a mixture because you can easily separate coffee. This thing is a mixture because this is an alloy. You know what's an alloy? There's an alloy, a mixture of metal is called alloy. Meaning, are you sure your PM is okay? What is limau and lemau? Coffee. Well, Shane, you shouldn't be drinking coffee. Okay. Okay, lah. I mean, you're tall enough, lah. You can. Okay, so number one, mixture is a substance that consists of two or more elements that are combined chemically. Are they combined chemically? Is there any chemistry between them? No. No chemistry. No boyfriend, girlfriend. So number two, element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. So you cannot break down elements anymore. Yes, that is true. You cannot break them down. Your PM better than Gina. Wei why your Gina so bad? By chance, Wei, are you a banana? Are you officially a banana, or you are just just your Chinese being bad? Arranged marriage, okay. Gina bad. That means, are you from SGKC? Are you from SGKC? By any chance, are you from SGKC? You are from SGKC, Walao. Same on your ancestor. Hiya. Okay, so next, what is your metal here? So metal is your zinc and your magnesium. Okay, zinc and magnesium. And then non-metal is gonna be your, oops, sorry, it's gonna be your carbon and sulfur. Miru, chill, Miru. Why are you roasting Shane? That's uncalled for. Hiya, why you like that? Okay, so uh, yeah, I'm sure she did. Right. You just want to Charlie Pasar, are you? Okay, so B, underline the correct answer based on the statements given. Tin is used for electroplating food cans. Okay, you know it's tin, right? You know it's tin, right? I mean, we don't use this anymore, lah. Wait, why are you signing with another account? Okay, so tin is used for, okay, you know what's electroplating? You know it's electroplating? You know your keys, right? You know your keys, they are originally yellow. They just coat a layer of zinc on it so that they look nicer. You know your old keys, after you use your keys for a few years, the thing just kind of fade and becomes yellow, right? So why do we, okay, electroplating, why do we plate food cans with electroplating? Because they do not rust. Because this is what we want. If food cans, they don't rust, it makes your food safe to eat. Okay. Wait, are you okay? Why is Shane? You still remember that? Oh my god. Why are you so thirsty? Okay, number two. What is used to make fertilizer and fuel? Okay, that's gonna be your hydrogen. Okay, that's gonna be your hydrogen. I think it's Kevin, isn't it? I think it's Kevin, not Kelvin, what? Right? Oh shit, how do I remember? Okay. Oh, it's Kelvin. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. I was wrong. Shane. Kelvin is not real. Give it up. It's not real. Shoot yourself, Shane. Okay, so number four. What is a mixture in daily life? Okay, so your soil is a mixture. Okay, your iron and sulfur is a mixture. Okay, chalk is not a mixture. Salt is not a mixture. Okay, they are compounds. Why are you so defensive over Kelvin? Hey, you know my friend last time, you know when what was the fictional singing anime girl again? Was it Miku? Was it Miku? Oh my god, he was so crazy about her. Dude, like he bought all the merch. Okay, he even right. It's I mean it's Calvin the book with the home. Yeah, okay. Wow, April, you remember too? Yes, it is. Hi, April. Nice of you to join us. Yeah, Hasane Miku. Yeah, he was crazy over it. Okay, and he will fight anyone who hates Miku. So I mean this waifu thing needs to stop, isn't it? I mean it's a bit overboard. I bet he has a body pillow of Miku.
Hatsune Miku is legally married to someone in Japan. They have been married for
I know,
4 to 5 years.
I know. I wonder how the marriage is like.
They say they are having communication troubles.
Oh, oh shit! I wonder why. Jeez. Okay. Wow. Sometimes this is why alien refuse to talk to us. Okay. Okay. Go touch some grass lah, guys. If you don't touch grass, this is what will happen. Okay. Anyway, so sand and iron powder. How do you separate them? Okay. Since this is iron, right? This is magnet. Okay, and of course water and kerosene, and this is your flotation because kerosene is petrol, guys. They will float on water. Making my friend is gonna punch you in the face. I mean, I wonder if he's still crazy about her though. I mean, okay, I was a otaku once lah, but I'm not till that extent. I mean, I was pretty crazy over Bleach. Okay, I drew all the 13 captains, the Gote Jusantai. I'm not proud of it. Okay, I'm proud of it. Okay, what the hell? Okay, I was really okay. I can draw a bit. Okay, so I drew a lot of Bleach stuff. Okay, do I have any figurines? No, I don't. Do these count? Okay, hang on, guys. Let me show you something. Okay, so for my birthday, right? My wife got me these. Jacked Pokemons. I was so excited. Love it. Hey, don't even get me started on Duck Trio. I have this thing here. Okay. Duck Trio. Okay. And when I take them out, so fucking awesome. Best best birthday present ever. So Shane, are you thirsty right now? You can forget Kelvin. Say yes to gay Pokemon. Okay, it's like Ricardo. Okay? He's the most beautiful man ever. Okay, Ricardo. Love Ricardo. Okay, anyway, so number five. Number five. So I hope you still remember your periodic table. I hope you still remember your periodic table. So you have your metal here and your semi metal here, and then you have your non-metal here. So this is wrong. This is non-metal. You have one non-metal over here, and this is a metal. No, so this is semi-metal, semi-metal. Okay, I have a wife. Yeah, she's okay with me thirsting over Ricardo. Okay, Ricardo is live. Okay, anyway, so hot air balloon. Okay, so what is in your hot air balloon? Helium is in your hot air balloon. Okay, helium is in a hot air balloon. So what is the characteristic of gas X? Okay, it has low density. They don't dissolve in water. They have no high melting point. They have low boiling point. Mention who? Mention who? Okay, moving on. So number six, element and a compound. So this is obviously an element and also because there's only one type of atom here. Can you see? There's only O here. This one has two. So this is a compound here. Okay, Sebastian. Guys, this chapter is really easy, isn't it? Okay, so your element is a substance. I think we did this before, right? Consists of one type of atom only, whereas your compound, it has two or more elements that are chemically combined. They have chemistry. Like this. Okay, this is the chemistry. Okay, boring stuff lah, guys. I'm just trying to rush through things. Okay, so next, let's look at PB. So this is definitely your element. Okay, your element. And then S, sulfur, is also your element. The middle two is your compound because it has two atoms here. Two atoms here. Copy the answers for science book. Yeah, at least she lets you copy answer lor. At least she's present. You see, our standard of education is so low. It's considered a win if your teacher is present. Okay, because some teachers they are gone for months, nowhere to be seen. It's either jamuan here, pregnant there, or some kind of school activity here and there. Yeah, that's why all our student quality is like shit lah. Twisted your ankle before. Clothing item. What clothing item, Miro? Do you are you trying to say you trip on your shirt or your do you have your pants down? How did you sprain your ankle? Okay, yeah, best education system, no doubt, no doubt. Okay, so D, compare and contrast. That means similarity and difference. This is a compound, and this is a mixture. So what are the similarities? Okay, they both have more than, okay, you can say, okay, two or more elements in them. Dua atau lebih unsur. Your mom crying. Your, what do you mean your mom crying? Okay, I think I misunderstood your question. Okay, so control. Okay, what's the difference here? One is combined chemically. Okay, one is combined physically. Bergabung secara kimia, bergabung secara physical. Oh, okay. Wait, you slip and fell? Okay, right on your face or right on your back? Are you okay? Are you okay? You didn't get a concussion, did you? Right. Anyway, so 3 marks here. 3 marks. Guys, I'm keeping my answers simple, guys. I'm keeping my answers simple. I don't want to waste too much time here because this chapter is pretty self-explanatory. So you know what? We skip to number 8. Okay, I'm trying to. Okay. Is it just a light sprain? What's Alex Wasabi? What? Wait, hey, can you speak English, please? What the hell is that? Huh? What's that? Is that a person? Okay, so P and Q. P is the non-metal, obviously. Q is the metal. Twister, only twist. Wow, shit! You have the best adjectives, like always. Love it. Okay. Anyway, so guys, if you have anything you wanna slow me down, you wanna ask, you please let me know. I believe your chapter 6 should be quite okay. So give a reason for your answer. Why use metal? Okay, because Q needs to conduct heat to food. Okay, mengkonduksikan haba ke makanan, whereas your P needs to insulate heat from going to hand. Okay, menebatkan haba dari tangan. So that it doesn't go to your hand, it doesn't hurt your hand by carrying this thing. Okay, so you guys can get it, you guys understand, okay. Wow, it's a really silent day today, isn't it? Because my online class today, my physical class today is like, see, you guys get like holidays like out of nowhere. That's nice. I mean, I still have to work today. What the hell? Okay, so B, cooking utensils are available in various shape. Okay, characteristic of metal that allows it to be produced in various shape. Okay, how do you bend metals into various shape? What is the characteristic called? This is called ductile. Okay, mulo. You can bend them into any shape you want. So drama. Okay, next. Sophia wants to buy a frying pan. Has to choose between two types of frying pan. Okay. Is this ceramic? I don't think this is ceramic. Okay, so you have your stainless steel and your ceramic. So suitable type, she has to choose stainless. Stainless steel. Why? Because it's a good conductor of heat. Okay, conductor harbor yang baik. Menyebabkan, mengkonduksikan, Ming, I would say mengkonduksikan. You have to use the long, mengkonduksikan harbor. Okay, good conductor of heat, conductor harbor yang baik. So food receives more heat. Okay, makanan mendapatkan lebih harbor. For the non-metal lah. Yalah. To mengelakkan konduksian harbor. You can say this. Okay, mengelakkan konduksian. I mean, menebatkan is the shorter word lah, if you want lah. Okay, so you guys are okay, You guys are okay, Those who are not not verbal today. Okay, let me see who's here. Let me see who's here. Nathan, what's that on your profile picture? Why does it look so scary? Is that Pikachu? It's like a jacked Pikachu. Oh, is it? Okay.
That's Springtrap.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Jacked up
I mean, I don't play
Pikachu.
F&M, so I don't know. Okay, nice. Okay. Now I do. Now I understand. Okay, so guys, you all understand, You understand, If you have anything, please, slow me down, Please let me know, So this chapter is rather easy. So I don't think I need to go into this, right? Milk is a mixture. S is a compound. Okay. So okay, what is this? This is your chromatography. This is how we separate mixture. Okay, guys, you know what? Okay, you know what? Since we have time, right? Let's jump to chapter 8. Okay, because this I think y'all are good enough for this chapter. I don't want to waste your time. Okay, we jump straight to chapter 8. Is it 8? Is it 8? No, milk is a mixture. Milk is a mixture because they can be easily separated out. Oh, Sims 4. Hey, that's my wife's favorite game. Okay, what makes what? Fats and water and protein. You know those pure cow's milk, you have a layer of oil floating on it, not oil, fats lah. So that's your milk lah. Okay, so right, so you guys are okay with chapter 8? Are you guys okay with proceeding with chapter 8? No. The layer of fats on it. What do they call it? Fats lah. Oil, fats, whatever lah. Lemak lah. The lemak on the oil, on the milk. Okay, you only get it from fresh milk, as in fresh cow milk, not homogenized, not processed or anything. Oh, okay. They use it for cheese. They use the whole milk for cheese. In fact, they use the whole milk for cheese. Okay, and then they will throw away the whey, whey, the protein powder. After they get rid of the whey, you will get cheese. Wei Heng, don't I know the way. Do you know the way? Okay, so anyway, let's. Okay, cheese. I know. I love cheese too. Okay, do we have this note? Do you guys have this? I think this is given to you in October, I think. Andre, do you have it? I think you find back your October one. You don't have it, Don't have it, I'm sure you guys have it though, because this is given to you in October. Okay, you see most of you guys. Okay, sure, Shane, go. Okay, if you don't have it, right? Okay, you can write down the important points, Right, I'll try my best to cover this as as fast as I can lah. So, right, C9 we have no C9 haven't C9 haven't. C9 one I will try my best to cover, but it's not as important. Chapter 9 is not as important. Right, so guys, are you ready? Are you ready? We have like 15 minutes. I'll try to, cover as much as I can. Yeah, no, C9 is the geography one. No, light is this. Light is chapter 8. Right, so let's look at the properties of light. Okay, this one you need to know. Right, so this is common sense. Light, they travel in a straight line. I mean, light, they don't bend. Okay, they bend, they don't curve. Right, so they travel in a straight line. They are blocked by opaque object. They cannot go through opaque object. What is opaque? Opaque is legap, like wall. Light cannot penetrate through wall. Oh yeah, sure, Madrid. You want to WhatsApp me? For those who don't have the notes, you let me know. I'll send you later. Okay, please WhatsApp me. Okay, please WhatsApp me. Okay, and then of course, light they are dispersed. Dispersed means I spread them out. Disperse is the spreading of light. Okay, when I spread lights out, you see 7 colors. And then light, they are the fastest thing in the world, in the universe. Okay, nothing is faster than the speed of light. The loud keyboard, yeah. Oh, you can hear my keyboard. Yeah, because I have the blue switch keyboard. Right, so that's why we see lightning before we hear thunder. Because light they go very quickly. So very very straightforward points lah. You have you have the louder one. So that means yours is the brown switch or the blue switch one. Right, anyway, so we have 3 types of mirrors here. We have 3 types of mirrors here. We have plane mirror. Okay, hang on, guys. Okay, we have plane mirror, we have concave mirror, and we have convex mirror. You mean expansion? Yeah, the expansion is faster than light, but we have no ways to prove it. Okay, because that space is not really an object. So that one is like, very, very, very out of syllabus thing lah. So water is water lah. Okay, hi Shane. Alright, so we have 3 types of mirror here. We have plane mirror, okay, which is the flat mirror, and we have concave mirror, and we have convex mirror. Okay, this is very easy to remember. The curving in one, cave they go in. You go into a cave. Okay, and then convex is the coming out one. Miru, what the hell, Miru? Right, I'm sure, Miru. I'm sure, Miru. Right, you and me both know what it means, lah. What is web? Miru, you don't influence them, can What is web, guys? Nothing. You miss nothing. You miss nothing. Worship and prayer. Miru, you don't please don't. Okay, anyway, so plane mirror, they do something called reflection. Okay, concave mirror, they will converge light. Okay, what is converge? Converge means they focus, and then convex they diverge means they. What is this called? This is focus, right? This is unfocused. Unfocused. I mean, Miru, I thought you wanted to say fat. I thought you wanted to say fat. I mean, to be fair, web is not a verb, so you don't say do you web, do you web, you say do you. I don't want to pronounce it lah. For girls we say this word, right? Okay, fine, whatever, you get what I mean. Okay, so diverge is to uh convex mirror. Yeah, exactly. Kawi, thank you. So characteristics of the image. Okay, so guys, let me explain what is virtual. Okay, guys, there are 6 words you need to know. Please write them somewhere else. Please write them somewhere. Okay, you need to know these 6 words. You need to know what is magnified, what is diminished. Okay, this is membesar. dan mengecil. Okay, 6 words here. And then there's upright, there's inverted. We call it tegak dan songsang. And then there's virtual. And then there's real. We call it maya dan nyata. Please write it down, guys. Please write it down. Miru, please don't laugh, please. Why? Is there a guy named Shley? God. Hey, why is this class so freaking lewd? Can we you know can we cut off all these 18SS shit? Hey guys, just for the record, I need to send this video to any student who requested this video. So sometimes it's really hard for me to explain why are all these things doing in the lesson. Okay, guys, Amitabha, let's move on. Okay, anyway, so anyway, it's called having fun, right? It wouldn't be fun if parents start asking questions. Okay, right, guys. So there are 6 words that you need to know. Okay, we have 6 words to describe image. Okay, you know what is image? You know what is image? Okay, when you look in the mirror, right, you are the object. Inside the mirror is the image. Okay, you have the object and the image. So how do we describe image? We have 6 words. You have to know these 6 words. Okay, so number 1, you know it's magnified lah. That means they become bigger. If you look in the mirror, you appear bigger like this. This is magnified. And then diminish means they become smaller. Okay, so they shrink. So this is diminish. And then upright means they stand upright. Okay, you look. Okay, let's say this is your image. Head pointing up. Sorry, this is your object, head pointing up. And your image also head pointing up. So this is upright. Okay, whereas if you look like this and the image looks like this is inverted. Songsang, guys, understand? Okay, these are the 2 words that students don't seem to understand. So what is real and virtual? Right. If I can form an image on the screen, okay, if you go to a cinema, right? When you go to a cinema, you go to a movie theater. If you sit in a movie theater, you see an image on the screen. That is a real image. Okay, because screen is what we look at. If there's a real image, if there's something on the screen, we call it a real image. Okay, so that's real, yes. So if it's not on the screen, we call it virtual. That's virtual. Wakanda Forever. Yeah, bro. I haven't watched it yet, so yeah. Oh Shane, why are you suddenly so participative? Okay, just like that, very me good. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so guys, you see, mirror is virtual. Why? Because you see, imagine this is a mirror. Imagine this is okay. Imagine this is a mirror. If your image is on here, I can't just reflect you onto a screen, right? I can't just say, okay, there's a screen here. I can't just say, okay, okay, let's say Shane, your image is here. I just reflect you onto a screen. I can't do that because your image is already inside the mirror. This is called virtual. This is called virtual. Okay, virtual, as in virtual reality. VR. That thing cannot be formed on the screen, right? You're just looking at a projected image. So that's your virtual. Okay, we call it Maya. Maya. Virtual technology related. You mean VR is technology related? Okay, that's virtual reality. So virtual lah. Virtual. Okay. Virtual means fake. Virtual means fake, not real. Like if you have a currency in your game, okay, it's called a virtual currency. Okay, a virtual currency. Yeah, okay, things like that. Kelvin, Meru, Kelvin, don't get her crush name wrong. She will bite you. There she comes. Okay. Anyway, so real and virtual. Yeah, that's why. How dare you, Miru? Okay. So anyway, she will fight you for that. So anyway, we look at mirror. Okay, mirror, right? You see, they are virtual. Okay, they are virtual. They are upright. Okay, but they have no diminish or magnify lah. They are same size, same size. And then there's one more. They are laterally inverted. This is called Song Sang CC. That means they are not inverted this way. They are inverted this way. Okay, you know how ambulance look like, you know, when it's on the car and when it's in your mirror, then it looks reversed. That's your laterally inverted. Laterally inverted, if you're a dumb American, okay, or laterally, laterally. Okay, fine, whatever. You get what I mean. Okay, lateral means they go sideways. Wow, Miru, you took the time to type that. I appreciate that. Right. Anyway, so guys, understand, Understand, So you need to know what happens in your plane mirror. Very seldomly they will touch on concave or convex because you learn this in Form 4, right? So you need to know what is virtual, what is upright, what is laterally inverted, same size, and things like that. Oh yeah, and one more thing. For your plane mirror, you are the same size and also you are the same image, same distance. How far away you are from the mirror, that means how far away your image is from the mirror. So to double your space in size, you put mirror. Okay, ma? Okay, ma? So if you want to make your room to appear twice bigger than it is, you put mirror. Kaiwei, are you like 5? Hey Shane, you're like the embodiment of one Malaysia. Okay, you're you're a Karazhan Dusun and a Chinese. You can speak multi-language. Okay, you should be the poster girl of one Malaysia. Okay, stop being a racist dipshits. Be like me. Be like Shane. Hate everyone. That's cool, right? Won't that be greenhouse effect? Yeah, you will. In fact, okay, nice, Shane. Yeah, you have. I mean, next time, if you live in a very small space, and you want to make your house look bigger, so you put mirrors, lah. You put mirrors, but Chinese we don't like it, lah, because according to feng shui, some mirror will bounce your energy here and there, it will kind of make your luck bad. So I don't know, lah. Maybe we want to play Sims 4. Okay, my wife has all the DLC. Yeah, okay. So she's a big fan of The Sims. Yeah, big flags. Yeah, everything from the first to the last DLC. Even the pastel ones. I asked her, AB, you got a pastel DLC for Sims 4?
Huh?
Pastel DLC. Even the PASTEL. What's the pastel one? Okay, she has lah. What's the latest DLC?
The high school one.
The high school one. The high school one. She has everything lah. The one what go to work lah, tiny living lah, every freaking thing she has. Huh? Don't have. The latest one is it? The one she haven't. The one she haven't. Everything lah. Everything. I don't get what's the fun.
Wait.
Okay, only that don't have lah. The rest she has lah. Okay, what the one become the go to work one, the one become a star one, right? The one. All that lah. Okay, she has everything. Yeah. Hey, you heard that, Hashin? Okay, anyway, so what do you use mirror for? Okay, so plain mirror, you use it for, for dancers to make your room looks big. Okay, and then concave mirror. Okay, so this is to zoom in stuff, right? This is to zoom in stuff, right? So mostly it's used by dentists. Okay, and it's used by your makeup mirror. Makeup mirror has two sides, right? One is the one you zoom in. That's the thing lah. And then convex is used for wide view. Blind spot mirror? Blind spot mirror? Hey guys, I think oh hey Hitler. Okay, so you should have this blind spot mirror at your car side window. your side mirror, because this thing, okay, it stops you from banging into motorcyclists and I didn't know I bet that's the only German word you know, right, Wing? 999. Okay. Right, so guys, where do we apply this? We put it in periscope, we put it in kaleidoscope. You feel a bit dizzy, is it? Is it? Yeah, I do too. Okay, I know what you mean, Abraham. I know what you mean. Okay, because my sister has one, and it makes you look really, really dizzy. Okay. Anyway, guys. I think I am going to stop here. Okay, next week, right? I will jump into reflection. I'll proceed a bit quickly, guys. I hope you're not dizzy at this speed that I'm going, because I have no choice. I have to rush you for your finals. Okay. Shane, why suddenly you can come up with a Mozart piece? What the hell? Because that's the only German word you know, isn't it? Okay, okay. So I will see you putas next week. Okay, happy to you, happy Friday to you. I'll see you next week. Okay, so see you guys. Take care. See you and good night. Bye bye.